Xi Jinping has released a signed document with the topic "Opening a More Splendid Chapter in China-Australia Ties" before his visit to the G20 Summit. Xi Jinping writes that ever since the two countries established diplomatic relations 42 years ago, they have developed into good friends and strategic partners, where both countries have benefited. He says the two governments continue to enjoy high-level exchanges which deepen political trust. President Xi noted the key to their good relationship is by abiding by the principle of mutual respect and equality, promoting mutual trust through dialogue, realising fruitful outcomes through cooperation, and consolidating friendships via communication. President Xi says that China strives for deepening reform while Australia continues to accelerate its economic restructuring and industrial upgrading. He says he hopes to have more meaningful exchanges with Australian leaders to explore the potential of furthering bilateral links. The Chinese president went on to say that he looked forward to meeting with Australia's Prime Minister Tony Abbott and the other leaders of the G20 to formulate a comprehensive growth strategy for robust, sustainable and balanced growth of the world economy.